Hi guys, good morning. This is Dr. Freddie again of Freddie's Farm. So for today, I would like to show you our apple cider vinegar recipe. So I did this about 3 days ago. Okay, so let me just give you the ingredients. Um, but before we proceed, if you are new to our channel, invite you to subscribe and hit that notification bell so that you will be notified always whenever we have new videos. And if you enjoy this video, you can give me a thumbs up to assist also our channel with regards to the YouTube algorithm. So so we did apple cider. So the ingredients, simply I bought 10 liters of water. Okay, by the way, I'm not promoting the brand, so this video is not sponsored by this brand of water. And then after that, I slice 2 kilograms of apple. Okay, and then I put it there. And then I put also 1 kilogram, 1 kg of brown sugar. So it's there. And then finally, I put, you see that one? Okay, I put the mother. Okay, the mother here. So I'm going to ferment this maybe 3 to 4 weeks, and then we're going to have a taste of the acidity of this apple cider vinegar. All right, so I've been doing this for many years now because in organic agriculture we need a lot of apple cider vinegar for our concoction. We use apple cider vinegar to produce our calcium phosphate. We use apple cider vinegar also for our fungicide. All right, we use apple cider vinegar for our pesticide. So it's very important that we know how to formulate our own apple cider. That's it, guys. Thank you for watching. Enjoy the rest of your day. Bye. Mungu awa bariki. Kwaheri. Bye.